Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to cut a selection in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your image. Okay, then you can select rectangle selection, ellipse selection, lasso tool selection, polygonal lasso selection, magnetic lasso selection, or magic wand quick selection. Select object as you wish. Example, I use perfectly. Then quick selection and select any object. Zoom, remove selection. Okay, then press Ctrl X. For cut this selection, press Ctrl V, or press Ctrl J, duplicate layer. Then click and drag on your mouse, insert it. That's it. Resize. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.